Hi friends, my name is Hamera. I am studying in UKG. My school name is Krishnamani High School.
Family.
FAMILY family.
Mother.
MOTHER mother.
Father.
FATHER father.
Brother.
BROTHER brother.
Sister.
SISTER sister.
Under.
UNDR under.
Behind.
BHIND behind.
Reading.
READING reading.
Standing.
Standing STANDING standing.
Writing.
WRITING writing.
Chicken.
CHICKEN
Cheese.
CHEES cheese.
Vegetables.
VEGETABLES vegetables.
Good morning.
GOD good. MORNING good morning.
Touch.
TOUCH touch.
Signal.
Signal signal.
Throw.
THROW throw.
Footpath.
FOOT foot. PATH footpath. PACOCK peacock.
Rabbit.
RABBIT rabbit.
Train.
TRAIN
Snake.
SNAKE snake.
Uniform.
UNIFORM uniform.
Woman.
WOMEN woman.
Window.
WINDOW window.
Yellow.
YELLOW yellow.
Zero.
ZDRO zero.
Ostrich.
OSTRICH
Five.
FIVE
Four.
FOUR
Two.
TWO2
Eight.
EIGHT
12.
TWELVE 12
Horse.
HORSE BUFFALO buffalo PIGEON pigeon LADY ladybird
Bedbug.
BEDBUG bedbug
Lotus.
LOTUS lotus
Banana.
banana
Guava.
GUAVA guava
Carrot.
carrot
Chili.
CHILLI chilli.
Very good. Class.
Thank you.